welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just had arrived this lovely BMW. It's the 116 Diesel Sport. Lovely condition. Lovely red colour. Absolutely gleaming. It's got reverse park sensors. Nothing really I can point out on the bodywork. It's absolutely superb. Great price range, very fuel efficient and cheap tax. Parcel shelves there, boot area's lovely. It's just been serviced, just been new MOT. Interior's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Does have the bonus of SAT NAV as well. It's rare on one of these. Yeah, it's got auto headlights. 79,734 miles. Just put that up again. 79,734 miles. 6-speed gearbox. Menu. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth connectivity. Media pack. Radio includes DAB, different driver mode styles, air conditioning. There is just no wear on it. It's absolutely lovely condition. Cruise control. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.